everybody, we're here today for my weekly recommendations, and today we're going to talk about summer blooming shrubs and perennials. Do you have your garden starting to look pretty weak during the summertime? These are going to be some great selections to get you some color to get you through summer into fall. So first off, we're going to start with Clethra. So there's two different varieties. The hummingbird stays a little smaller, around 3 to 4 feet. And the ruby spice is going to get you a little taller, around 6 or 7 feet. Great summer flowers, smell very good. Pollinators love them, and a pink flower. Next off is going to be the Vitex right here, and that's going to get you about 5-6 foot tall as well. Great summer flower on that as well, blues, purples shades. Next is going to be the Dark Night. This is going to be on the smaller size, so you can use this more up front in your beds. So this is going to get you around 3 foot. This is the Caryopteris Dark Night. And then last off, we're going to talk about the Rosa Sharon. And these guys get big. They are the seedless varieties, or the ones that will not spread profusely throughout your yard. So they're going to get you around 8 foot tall, and there's some great colors in these too. And these last well into fall on the flowering aspect. Next off, we're hitting the perennials. So we're here in our perennial section now. We have this great display put together by Aaron, our staff member, and these are all great summer flowering perennials. There is some Rosa Sharon in the background, but we're going to start off down below here. This is a variety of Rudbeckia called Little Gold Star. Going to get you about 14 to 16 inches tall. So this is a smaller one than you would normally see, like the old-fashioned varieties, like Goldstrom. And these are more disease resistant. They do not get the black spot, which are very common with the Goldstrom. So around 14, 16 inches on these guys. Great compact plant, tons of flowers. Now, still in the Rudbeckia realm, this is called American Gold Rush. So this guy here is going to get you a little bit taller, going about 20 inches tall. Same habit, compact, nice flower production on it, and great pop of color for summer. In front of these guys is the Little Bang series of Coreopsis. A couple different colors we have, but same thing, around 18 inches tall. Great yellows and darker center in them too, which has a great contrast. These are more compact than your normal old-fashioned Coreopsis as well, that spread and seed everywhere. More compact, more flower power, great plant. Next off is the Helenium, and it's also known as a perennial sunflower. Great red color, and this guy's going to get you around 20 inches tall as well. And right behind this is Heliopsis, and this one in particular is called Bleeding Hearts. The color in that is amazing, and then the stem color is great too, but this is going to get you tall, so you want to put this a little bit further back in your garden because it will stick up above everything else. This is going to get you around 3 feet. And then last but not least, the perennial geranium. This one's called Roseanne, and this is a big guy, so you need some room for him. You're going to get you about 2 foot tall and about 2 to 3 foot wide. It's great though, because I mean it starts flowering beginning of summer and lasts all the way into fall, and it has a great color too. So that's all. Stop in and see us. We have some great selections still. And we have great staff on hand to help you with any questions or any design questions that you may have to spruce up a particular part in your landscape. So stop in and see us. Thanks for tuning in.